Such scenes that are seen everywhere nowadays tell the tragic series of moments of terror, despair, frustration, and anxiety that have arisen among the people after the massive earthquake of 2072 BS has now come to an end. The routine disrupted by the earthquake has regained its rhythm. People's lives are gradually returning to a state full of new happiness and enthusiasm. These villages are situated in the southwest of Dolakha. At this time, this area has become attractive due to the cultivation of potato, cauliflower, corn, and cabbage. Newly built houses make the whole village look bright and charming. Moving from the temporary huts built to the new house after the earthquake, people's daily routine has become busy with enterprise and labor. Rural Reconstruction Nepal (RRN) has been working with the local people with the financial support of RRN and Bread for the World of Germany for the rehabilitation and recovery of the people of this region who are living a miserable life after the earthquake disaster. As a result, visible achievements have been made in the livelihood, reconstruction and transformation of people's lives. RRN's program emphasized on raising cows and goats to make women towards the self-reliant and professional. A pair of goats of advanced caste, improved breed was distributed to women throughout the village, taught to save seeds through collective farming. People learned the skills of processing pickles, lentils, and other local agricultural products and processing and making small-scale enterprises. One of the beneficiaries of this opportunity is Krishna Kumari Thami of Bhimeshwar Municipality, 9 Surke.
पोहोरको वर्षा चाहिँ उहाँहरूबाट नै हामीले बिरुवा पाएको थियौँ अनि बिरुवा पाएर हामीले लगाएर जम्मा 22 किलो आयो धेरै सहयोग पनि पाएको छु र मैले उहाँबाट सिप पनि पाएर धेरै मलाई यो मनमा म दुखी गरिबको धेरै हौसला आएको छु.
Today, Krishna Kumari has her own pickle enterprise. From the skills and tools provided by the project, she makes mouth-watering pickles, including peppers and cucumbers. From Pindalu, Colocasia, ash gourd, potato, she makes delicious maseura. She has also raised cows received from RRN. About 3,000 earthquake-affected families have been benefited from the RRN program. Their standard of livelihood has improved dramatically significantly. Some families have even become commercial farmers. The program was conducted in Boch, Lakuri of Bhimeshwar Municipality and Katakuti, Magapaua, Busafeda and Tamchet Dudpokhari villages of Sailung Municipality. These villages are located in the courtyard of the beautiful Shillong Hill. Another beautiful hill in the area is connected to the Kharidunga site with valuable mineral resources like magnesite. Due to the program, vegetable, animal husbandry and fruit farming have been expanded in these villages.
यो भागदेखि जस्तो हामीले 70 सेन्टिमिटरको फरकमा रोप्छौँ बिरुवा हैन त्यो भएकोले गर्दाखेरि यहाँबाट हामी के गर्छौँ भने आधी 35 सेन्टिमिटर छोड्छौँ र किला गर्छौँ यहाँ बुझ्नुभयो किन पछि हामीलाई यहाँ कुलेसो चाहिन्छ.
Under the program, Agricultural Farmers Pathshala, that is Farmers Field School, have been run in all the 6 villages. From that, the farmers learned a lot about practical planning and implementation of agriculture. As a result, community seed banks have been set up in Katakuti of Sailung Rural Municipality and Surke of Bhimeshwar Municipality to protect indigenous seeds and to enhance environment-friendly farming practices. It has helped to protect endangered indigenous seeds and helped to minimize the haphazardly use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. With the help of the program, Vishnu Karki has become a nursery entrepreneur. Various species, varieties of plants including lemon citrus, kiwi, guava, whale chili have been produced and sold from his nursery.
कमै राम्रो छ अहिले जस आफ्नो परिवारमा खर्च कटाएर 1.5 लाख जति बाँच्छ होला.
At the agricultural school, local farmers, RRN's agricultural technical facilitators meet and discuss, develop future action plans and exchange new skills. Farmers to farmers, knowledge and skills are exchanged. With the introduction of new technology in this region, commercial cultivation of corn has started. The project has motivated the farmers to transform the traditional farming system into a modern, improved farming system. Saili is seen laughing in Vishwakarma. The secret of her happiness is to be able to sell Akabari Khursani saplings for 3 lakh rupees in 3 years. Now she has become a nursery entrepreneur of Akbari Khursani and lemon. High-tech nurseries received with the help of RR and other vegetable seeds with technical assistance can also be seen in her nursery.
अब बिरुवा बचेर मैले अब 20,000 खोर्सानी बेचेँ कागती गर्दा 60-70 हजार उहाँले दिनुभयो मेरो अलिकति उहाँ थियो कटनी पैसाहरू कटाउनु भयो त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ मलाई जाँगर लाग्दै आयो अब कमाउनु नकमाउँदा फेरि यो खोर्सानीबाट आफ्नो विचार छ बेच्ने ठाउँमा बेच्न पर्यो हिँड्ने ठाउँमा हिँड्न पर्यो.
She doesn't have to go far to sell plants since the neighbors buy the seeds. She earns a good income by staying at home. In Nepal, the role of women is increasing in the agricultural sector as well as in the activities of the entire family. In Dolakha too, more than 1/3 of the families are headed by women. In the absence of men who have left the village for foreign and domestic employment, women have taken on the entire responsibility of the household.
यहाँ चाहिँ पहिला हामीले चाहिँ यो ठाउँमा चाहिँ पुरा खेती भनेको हामीले आलु मात्र लगाउँथ्यौँ. त्यस पछाडि हामीले बन्द किनेर खानु पर्यो भने हामीले काठमाडौँ भक्तपुरबाट किनेर ल्याएर खान्थ्यौँ. अहिले चाहिँ आफ्नो गाउँमा हामी सबैजनाले 1-2 पाइप लिएर लगाउने एउटाले लगाउने अर्कोले लगाउने गरिसकेपछि उसले लगाएपछि हामीले लगाउन थाल्यौँ. यताउता त्यसरी लगाइसकेपछि अब पल्लोपट्टि छर छिमेकी सबैजना डाँखेरि बन्द लगायो काउली लगायो त्यस पछाडि केराउ लगायो सिमी लगायो फर्सी लगाउँछ हामी काँक्रा लगाउँछौँ. अब त्यस्तै हो. अब ठिकै छ आलुले भन्दाखेरि आलु रोपेको बारीमा आलुको चाहिँ 80,000 आलु बेच्यो भने बन्दल चाहिँ राम्रो कुहेन यताउता दबाई यताउता गऱ्यो भनेदेखि 1 लाख 2 लाख त्यस्तै 50-60 त्यस्तै बारी अनुसारको कमाइ त्यस्तै हो.
The RRN run post-earthquake community activities for livelihood and rehabilitation assistance project has helped increase women's activism and leadership. Women's initiative is seen in the activities of the project. Until the last days of 2016, the roads leading to the village were operated barely 3 months of the year. In order to speed up the construction of people's houses, RRN, in collaboration with the community and the local level, improved the roads by laying stones in difficult places. Currently, these roads are easily accessible all year round. In the last 2 years, earthquake victims have been transported on the upgraded, improved roads. The local were relieved as construction materials reached their homes. Reconstruction began faster than elsewhere, and the area soon became a village to complete the reconstruction campaign. The agricultural road constructed in Boch of Bhimeshwar municipality has got a strong road and it has become easy to bring agricultural commodities to the market.
किनभने आरएनएनको सरहरूले यहाँ बल बिउ ल्याइदिनु भयो बन्द बिउ ल्याइदिनु भयो त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ पुरै बन्द लगाइरहेको छ अहिले हामीले. पहिले त समस्या नि सर अब यहाँ सडक नहुँदा त सर आलु यहाँबाट आलु बोएर लानु पर्थ्यो सर झिँगानी. फेरि अहिले त रोड भयो सर हाम्रो सम्मले तपाईँको अब आरएनएन संस्थालाई चाहिँ अब हामीले माग गऱ्यौँ.
Earlier, the residents had a bitter experience of having to throw away the rotten vegetables on the unpaved roads when they could not drive during the rainy season. Reconstruction materials have started to be transported at the cheaper rates after the road was repaired, and agro commodities, fruits, meat, egg, vegetables have also started reaching the market easily in and out. Depending on the season, brought by the pastoralists from all over the village, an average of 600 to 800 liters per day is brought to the dairy. Milk accumulates after processing. The milk reaches the district headquarters, Charikot, and other small market located in Hor head for sale.
सुरुमा गाई ल्याउने प्रोसेसमा हामी लाग्दाखेरि ग्रामीण पुनर्निर्माण दोलखाबाट यहाँ पशुमा लगानी गर्ने भन्ने हिसाब किताब आयो र त्यसबाट चाहिँ हामी र सबैजना कृषकहरूलाई प्रयत्न गऱ्यौँ गाई किन्नुपर्छ खरिद गर्नुपर्छ र हामी केही धनी हुनुपर्छ भन्ने हिसाबले हामी अगाडि बढ्यौँ र त्यसमा हामीलाई गाउँपालिकाबाट पनि हामीलाई सहयोग हुने भएको भएर दुईटैको साझेदारीमा र किसानको तीन पक्षीय सहयोगबाट चाहिँ हामीले गाई खरिद गर्ने एउटा उ गऱ्यौँ र त्यसपछि हामी गाई खरिदको लागि र गाई खोज्नको लागि चाहिँ हामी पनौती खवासीबाट चाहिँ हामीले गाई पहिला गाई ल्याउने त्यहाँबाट ल्याउने भन्ने कुरा भयो। त्यसपछि हामीले त्यो सबै रेकर्ड ल्याएपछि हामी सबै 3 पक्ष सम्झौता गरिसकेपछि हामीले गाई त्यहाँबाट खरिद गर्ने क्रममा हामीले 19वटा गाई यस सैलुङ गाउँपालिका वडा 5 मा भित्रायौँ र कृषि उपज केन्द्रमा चाहिँ हामीले दुध विभिन्न के अरे स्रोत जुटाएर अहिले लगभग हामीले दुध बजारसम्म लाने एउटा सानो के अरे बाटो डोराएका छौँ। त्यो बाटो चाहिँ अहिले हामीले देखेर आउँछौँ, डोकामा दुध बोकेर हामीले बजारसम्म लाने गरेका छौँ।
With the help of RRN, cows of improved cross breed between Jersey cow and selected local cow, advanced breeds have also been provided to the farmers in Katakuti of Soilung and Lakuri Dada, both of Vimeshwar. Farmers who started a dairy business by raising a subsidized cow are found to be adding cows with the same income.
म पहिला जागिरमा थिएँ नेपाल आर्मीमा। त्यसपछि जागिरको अवधिमै मलाई चाहिँ यो कृषि व्यवसाय त्यसमा पनि पशुपालन कृषिसँग सम्बन्धित कुराहरुमा एकदम चासो थियो पहिला। अनि अहिले म जागिरबाट छोडेर रिटायर भएर यहाँ आइसके पछाडी अनि मैले गर्ने चासो सँगसँगै आरआरएनको सपोर्ट मिल्यो। अनि त्यो सपोर्टमा चाहिँ मैले अहिले एकदम मलाई चाहिँ काम गर्ने जोस जाँगरहरू निकै बढ्दै गएको छ अहिले। त्यसमा मसँग 2टा गाई थियो पहिला म रिटायर भएर आउँदाखेरि, अनि अहिले उहाँहरूको सपोर्टमा मैले 3टा गाई थपेर 5वटा बनाएँ। अब म सबैभन्दा पहिला मेरो आफ्नो दुध प्रशोधन गर्ने तयारीमा छु, जुन कि अब तुरुन्तै नबिग्रिने सामानहरू, किनभने म त सुरुमा हो हैन। अब मैले त्यस्तो अब बिग्रिने अरू आइटमहरू बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ अब सफल नहुन सक्छ। त्यही भएर अब नबिग्रिने अलिकति लामो समयसम्म राख्न सक्ने जस्तै छुर्पीहरू पुष्टकारीहरू चाहिँ म बनाउने तयारीमा छु अहिले।
RRN is cooperating with the local government to manage the milk market by setting up a milk collection center.
विभिन्न समूहमा बसेर काम गरिरहनु भएको कृषक समूहहरू सहकारीहरू दर्ता भएका तीहरूलाई हामीले 50% साझेदारीका कार्यक्रमहरू एकदमै ल्याएका छौँ र साझेदारी मार्फत धेरै काम गर्न सकिन्छ। जस्तो कृषकले एउटा पशुको एउटा फर्म दर्ता गरेर उसले सुरु गरिरहेछ भने 50% उसले खर्च गरेको ठाउँमा 50% सरकारले दिने, प्राविधिक सहयोग गाउँपालिकाले प्रचुर मात्रामा दिने, त्यसरी काम गर्यो भने चाहिँ कृषकहरू माथि पुग्न सक्छन् भनेर त्यसरी सुरु गरेका छौँ। र अहिले आरएन मार्फत आएकोहरूलाई पनि हामी कृषक समूहहरू अन्तर्गत कृषक फर्महरू अन्तर्गत चाहिँ लगानी गरेर अब विभिन्न फर्महरू कसैले पशु फर्म कसैले कृषि फर्म सञ्चालन गरेर त्यसमा चाहिँ 50% गाउँपालिकाले पनि लगानी गर्ने, 50 अरू केही सहयोग सङ्घ संस्था मार्फत आउने, केही पर्सेन्ट चाहिँ सम्बन्धित व्यक्ति फर्मवालाहरूले लगानी गरेर गरियो भने अब कृषिलाई चाहिँ एउटा फर्मको हिसाबले व्यावसायिक तरिकाले चाहिँ अगाडि बढाउनुपर्छ भन्ने हिसाबले गाउँपालिकाले लगानी गरेको छ र अघिल्लो वर्ष पनि गरेर यसपालि पनि 50% साझेदारीका कार्यक्रमहरू कृषिमा थुप्रै राखिएको छ।
Farmers are attracted to animal husbandry as there is no need to find a market for dairy products. Goats have been distributed to make the pastoralists of the villages self-reliant and commercial for income generation. In many places, pair of goats priority was given to selected Khari goats. However, some were Khari and Jamuna Pari crossbreed, which were priority of farmers. Advanced breeds have been made available.
बाख्रा पालनबाट मैले चाहिँ अब यो संस्थाले दिएको बाख्राबाट मैले 30-35 हजार जति फाइदा गरेँ। अब वर्ष दिन भन्नु न, वर्ष दिनमा अझै अब 3टा बोका छ, त्यसबाट आउला अब 15-20 हजार।
The people here have got a good opportunity to earn income from the business of raising goats of improved advanced breeds. With the improvement in the farming system, women have become as active in commercial farming as men. From group meetings to discussions with the local government, they are confident and take the lead in common tasks. Due to the project efforts, there has been a significant increase in women's empowerment and efficiency in this sector. Women are spontaneously taking the lead in building local development and sharing. The women of the group have started going to the local government to demand budget for the program.
गाई पाल्ने किसान मात्रै नभइकन अब हजुरहरू चाहिँ के चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो त भनेदेखि उद्यमी बन्न पर्यो। उद्यमी भनिसकेपछि अलिकति बढी सङ्ख्यामा पनि पाल्ने व्यवसायिक पनि हुन सक्नुभयो भने यो तालिमको सार्थकता रहन्छ। अब बिउ पुँजीको रूपमा गाई आइहाले होइन, अनुदान स्वरूपै आए, चौगुना बनाउने काम तपाईँहरूको, जो कि यो ठाउँमा चाहिँ अब एउटा बिउ आइसकेपछि त्यसलाई अब वृद्धि गर्नको लागि एउटा पशु प्रजननका कुराकानी पनि हिजो अस्ति भयो होला।
There is a lot of potential for nigalo, cardamom and mushroom and wild dill cultivation in this area. Such farming protects the land as well as protection prevents subsoil erosion. RRN's program has been helping to organize and commercialize such farming. The organization is also conducting research on wild mushroom cultivation, especially red mushroom wild species. The water resources available in the village have been conserved to support such farming. Plastic water harvesting pond irrigation project has been implemented in collaboration with the local community government. This has led to a big change in the economical use of water compared to previous years.
भूकम्प पश्चात चाहिँ भूकम्पले गरेको ठुलो क्षतिलाई अलिकति थोरै भए पनि त्यसलाई जीविकोपार्जन सुधारको अवस्थामा सहयोग पुर्याउन सकिन्छ कि भनेर यो दोलखा जिल्लाको साबिक 6 वटा गाविस बोझ लाँकुरी डाँडा, मागा काटाकुटी, दुध पोखरी र भुसा फेदाका 6 वटा साबिक गाविस र अहिलेको सैलुङ गाउँपालिकाको वडा नम्बर 1 देखि 5 सम्मका क्षेत्रहरूमा चाहिँ जीविकोपार्जन सुधारको लागि कृषि, पशु अनि भौतिक पूर्वाधार निर्माण लगायतका कुराहरूमा सहयोग पुर्याउने कार्यक्रम अन्तर्गतै हामीले चाहिँ पशुपालनको कुरालाई अलिकति यहाँहरूको चासो, यहाँहरूको चाहना र अनि यहाँको गाउँपालिका अनि बेला बेलामा हामीलाई चाहिँ सल्लाह सुझाव दिने, प्राविधिक सुझाव दिने जिल्ला पशु सेवा कार्यालय लगायतको संयुक्त कुराहरूबाट एउटा पशुपालन सम्बन्धीको तालिमको आवश्यकता छ यहाँ भन्ने महसुस भएपछि हामीले तालिमको आयोजनामा सहयोग गरेका हौँ। र तपाईहरुले गाई पालनको लागि चासो राख्नुभयो, ल त्यसो भए गरौँ भनेर हामीले अलिकति सहयोग गर्यौं अनि त्यसपछि तपाईहरुले पनि त्यसमा चाहिँ एकदमै चासो राखेर चाहिँ गाई ल्याउनुभयो र अब अझै त्यो भन्दा अझै धेरै भित्रिन्छन् गाई भन्ने हामीलाई अपेक्षा छ।
Irrigation facilities are essential for agriculture. As there is no water resource nearby in this area, plastic water harvesting ponds have been constructed for irrigation. For the sustainability of its programs, RRN had a policy of close coordination combining all activities with local government. Some of these programs have been continued by the local governments by including them in the annual program. For vegetable, those who have returned to the country from abroad and those who have retired from government jobs have also benefited from the program. They are involving in everything from vegetables, seeds to animal husbandry and vegetable farming. They were trained and inspired by agricultural technicians. All the villages where the project has been implemented are engaged in potato production. The soil here produces good quality potatoes. Potatoes here are sold at higher prices in the Kathmandu market. Therefore, RRN has given priority to the goal of increasing potato production in the region and bringing the produced potato to the market. The residents will be able to reap greater benefits from the promotion of potato farming. Schools in the area have been operating in makeshift tents since the quake destroyed buildings. With the construction of school buildings in collaboration with RRN, reading has become easier. About 3,000 earthquake-affected families out of about 90 self-help groups formed after the quake joined the RRN program. Half of them were women. About 300 of those affiliated were marginalized and Dalit. The role of RRN in modern agricultural system, entrepreneurial environment, basis for development and livelihood has been especially helpful.
जति पनि रस्टी स्टोर बनाएर आलुको बिउ भण्डारण गर्नलाई हामीलाई सहयोग गर्नुभएको छ आरआरएन संस्थाले, उहाँलाई समेत हामी धन्यवाद ज्ञापन गर्न चाहन्छौँ यस बिरुवा रस्टी स्टोर र बिरुवा कृषक समूहको तर्फबाट।
From in the last 3 years, 50 kilometers of unpaved roads have been improved in the area, including 7-kilometer new track opened. 2 dozen irrigation schemes have been implemented. At least 50% of the women in the target household are engaged in commercial vegetable farming. Most of the group members are engaged in commercial animal husbandry, vegetable farming, nursery, community managed seed bank, agro-processing schemes, and other activities. A good environment for employment and income generation has been created. Overall, the face of the region has changed, and the lifestyle of the rural people has been changing.